Hi guys, welcome to Smart Master. So today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial showing how you can create a QR code. Why do you ever want to insert a QR code? Well, let's say that you are in a Microsoft PowerPoint and you are presenting in front of audience. At the very end of the presentation, you want the people to fill up a survey or you want them to go to a certain website. Well, you can have people look at the website URL and type it into the form. But that takes a long time and people might type in a wrong address and they might not get to your server. Instead, what you can do is you can show a QR code. Your audience members can hold up the phone and then easily navigate to that URL that you want to show by using the QR code. Before starting the video, make sure you like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first go to Google and type QR code monkey and enter. So click on the first link. So here's the website we need. So what is QR code monkey? So QR code monkey is a website which we can create our own QR code such as for our URL, email, location, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So here we should click on your URL and we can type an URL. For an example, Google, YouTube. So I'm gonna type my channel link. So here's another option called set colors. So we can set any color we need by clicking this. And here's another option, color gradient, customize color gradient. We can click this and see the colors. Then we can add a logo image. Here are some logos: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Wi-Fi, email, anything. So I'm gonna upload my image. Here's my image. I'm gonna open it. So I have uploaded my image. Here we can customize our design. Here are some shapes. These are body shapes and iframe shapes, and these are eyeball shapes. So my favorite eyeball shape is this. My favorite iframe shape is this, and I'm going to choose this as my body shape. So now what we should do is we should click on create QR code. So this is the QR code I have created. Now we can click on download PNG. So it will download the QR code. So now let's create a QR code for text. So now let's create a QR code for text. So now we could enter content. So I'm gonna text hi, how are you? I hope you would enjoy my video. Now we can set a color. So there, as before, here are some options: color gradient, single color. So I'm going to choose single color. I'm going to choose black. And now we can add logo image. here are some logos, Facebook, YouTube. So I'm gonna upload my image. Here is my image, and I have uploaded my image. So now we can customize our design. Here are some designs: body shape design, iframe shape design, and eyeball shape design. So I'm going to choose this as my eyeball shape design for the QR code, this as the iframe shape design, and this as the body shape design. So now, as same as before, we should click on create QR code, and now we can download the QR code. Now let's create a QR code for an email. So first type your email up here. Then we can type the subject. Now we can type a message. So we can set any color. There's some options. We can click on single color and select our color. So color gradient and select two colors. Now we can upload a logo. Here's the option to upload logo. Here are logos, YouTube, email. So I'm gonna upload my image. Here's my image, and I'm gonna open it. So we can customize our designs. Here's the body shape, it's the iframe shape design, and eyeball shape. I'm gonna choose this as my eyeball shape design for QR code. This as iframe shape, and at last this as body shape. So now we can click on create QR code. This is the QR code I have created. Now we can download the QR code. Now let's create a QR code for a phone number. So let's type the phone number. We can set the colors. I'm going to click on single color and select my color. Now we can add logo image. So here are some logos. I'm going to upload my image. That's the image I need. Now I have uploaded the image, then I can remove and change the image. Now I'm going to customize my design. Here are the designs: body shape, iframe shape, and eyeball shape. I'm going to choose this, the eyeball shape, this, the iframe shape, and this for the body shape. And now we should click on create QR code. This is the QR code I have created. Now we can download the QR code. Now let's create a QR code for YouTube. So let's type a YouTube URL. Now we can set our colors. Now I'm going to change my color. I'm going to change this color. Now we can add logo image. The logo image YouTube. And we can customize the designs. Now I'm going to change my design of the body shape of the QR code as this, iframe shape as this, and the eyeball shape as this. And we can click on create QR code. And now we have created the QR code. Now what we should do is we should click on download immediately and it will download the QR code.